Lang for the Alliance Review. I'm here at Walborn Reservoir, where Ulster Project teens are spending the morning on the water. The activity is one of several planned for the group throughout the month of July. The teens recently returned from Elkhorn Christian Camp, and other activities include service projects in the community.
We decided to come out here today. We usually go down to Bolivar, but given the circumstances with the low water and everything, we decided to stay local here. And it's just an event where all the kids get to be together, kind of support each other on the water. Just another little friendship, bonding atmosphere for them, and fun, of course.
It's been fun so far. It's good to get to know the group.
And did you have fun today canoeing?
It was the best.
Okay.
I've never been canoeing before.
Some of the other events?
Looking forward to play whirly ball tomorrow. I've never played it before, but it looks like good fun in the bumper cars.
Okay. The Ulster Project, in its 25th year in Alliance, brings teens from Northern Ireland to the melting pot of America in the hopes that it will help ease the tensions between Catholics and Protestants in their country. It also gives local teens an experience to help them grow in their understanding of other cultures and opportunities to learn about themselves.
I mean, I think it's important that everybody gets along, here in America, whether you're Catholic or Presbyterian, Jewish, Amish, we all can live here. And I think that's the goal of the Ulster Project, to make sure that, and they see that there's no reason to not like someone because of their religion. And so I just felt that was really important for us to convey to her, that different religions can get along.
I'm just learning how lucky we are, that we have religious freedoms and stuff, and they have some prejudices over there, and so that's how lucky we are.
Later this week, the teens will have the opportunity to celebrate an American holiday and raise money for a local charity through the annual car wash. For the Alliance Review broadcast team, I'm Ruth Lang.